If you've spent much time flaring brake line, you know that it can be time consuming to get consistent results. So today I'm going to show you how to use this S.U.R pistol grip flaring tool. It's going to help you get the job done a lot quicker and give you professional grade flares every time. This tool will work for brake line of 3/16, quarter inch, 5/16, 3/8, or 4.75 millimeter brake line. Just make sure your line is cut square and deburred before you use the tool. Align the die sets and drop them into the yoke. And slide that brake line in until it's flush with the inside port. And we'll just tighten this down so it'll stay put while we're doing the flare. We've got to grab the punch that we need, in this case the 3/16. We'll put that in place. And we'll snap the pistol into the yoke. Squeeze that trigger several times until it's nice and snug. You use the trigger on the back to release it. And we're going to invert the flare now, so we're going to switch the punch to the cone shape punch. Set that in there. The same procedure as before, just pop that in. We'll pull this trigger, just squeeze it until it stops you. Use the trigger on the back to release it and pull it out. Set it aside. Then we'll loosen the clamp. Get those dies out of there. And then take a look at your flare. If you have any other questions about this tool, contact your local O'Reilly sales representative or visit firstcallonline.com.